Today I am reviewing Tikom G8000 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been looking for a powerful and reliable cleaning solution that can handle both vacuuming and mopping in one go, then the Tikom G8000 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop combo might be exactly what you need. This little machine is designed to make home cleaning easier, faster, and more convenient, all while delivering professional-level results. Let's dive into what makes this robotic vacuum stand out. First, let's talk about power. The G8000 Max is equipped with an impressive 5,000 Pascal suction system, which is much stronger than what you'll typically find in most robotic vacuums. That means it doesn't just pick up visible dirt and dust, but it also handles tougher messes like pet hair, crumbs, and fine particles that get trapped in carpets and rugs. Whether you have hardwood floors, tiles, or a mix of surfaces, this vacuum can adapt and clean them all effectively. Now, here's where it gets even better. It's not just a vacuum. The Tikom G8000 Max is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. With a 450 milliliter dustbin and a 300 milliliter water tank, it can vacuum and mop simultaneously. That reduces cleaning time by almost half compared to doing these tasks separately. So, instead of spending your weekend vacuuming first and then mopping, this robot handles both jobs in a single run. Another highlight is the battery life. On a full charge, the G8000 Max can run for up to 150 minutes in quiet mode. That's more than enough to cover an entire home, even if you have multiple rooms. And when the battery starts to run low, it automatically returns to its charging dock to recharge itself, meaning it's always ready for the next cleaning cycle. When it comes to control options, Tikom has made things really user-friendly. You can control this robot in 4 different ways: through the smartphone app, a remote control, voice commands via smart assistants, or even with the buttons directly on the machine. This flexibility makes it suitable for everyone, whether you're tech-savvy or prefer a simpler, hands-on approach. The G8000 Max also comes with 4 cleaning modes: spot cleaning, edge cleaning, Zig-Zag mode, and manual control. The Zig-Zag pattern, in particular, ensures maximum coverage and efficiency, making sure no area is left behind. Spot mode is perfect for concentrated messes, while edge mode handles corners and wall sides where dust often builds up. Another advantage is the design. At just 2.99 inches tall, this robot is ultra-slim and can easily slip under beds, couches, and cabinets, places that are usually difficult to reach with a regular vacuum. Add to that the smart anti-collision and anti-fall sensors, and you've got a vacuum that can navigate around furniture, avoid bumping into walls, and steer clear of stairs without any issues. The G8000 Max is also versatile across floor types. Thanks to its large wheels and powerful suction, it can transition smoothly between hard floors, rugs, and medium pile carpets without getting stuck. If you have a mix of flooring in your home, this robot is built to handle it all with ease. And for anyone concerned about long-term durability, Tikom has included HEPA filtration to trap fine dust and allergens, making it a great option for homes with kids or pets. It's also backed by customer support and warranty services, so you can buy with confidence knowing help is available if you ever need it. In summary, the Tikom G8000 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop combo is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to save time and effort while keeping their homes spotless. With its 5,000 Pascal suction power, dual vacuum and mop function, long 150-minute runtime, multiple control options, and slim design, it truly checks all the boxes. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large house, this robotic vacuum can keep up with your cleaning needs and make your daily life so much easier. If you're looking for a robotic vacuum that delivers strong performance, versatility, and convenience at a competitive price, the Tikom G8000 Max is definitely worth considering.